Hello, in this video we are going to go over a few keyboard shortcuts for a MacBook Pro. The first shortcut we have here is Command C, which is copy, and Command V, which is paste. So instead of going edit, copy, or edit, paste, you can simply go onto your keyboard and hit Command C, or you can hit Command V to copy and paste. You can also select Command Z, which will undo what you previously did, or Command A, which will select all the items on your page. We also have Command F, which will find items in a document or open a find window. And one of my favorites is Command T, which opens a new tab, and Command W will close the tab. So let's say you open up a new tab and you don't like what's on the screen. You can quickly hit Command W and it will close or exit out of that tab. And then you have Control Command F, which will create your app in full screen. So it will change your app or whatever document you have open and make it full screen. Now, two of my favorite shortcuts are Command Shift V. This will paste the contents of the clipboard into the current document or app. But when it pastes that material or those words into that document, it will adjust the font and size to the current document. You also have Command K, which that's when you want to use this when you're inserting a link. So I recommend actually highlighting the words that you want to say. So maybe click here, and usually I'll highlight click here, and then I do Command K, and it will direct me to insert that link. Once I insert that link, I press save, and click here is now going to change to underline and bold, and typically it also changes the color. This will direct somebody to see that that is a clickable link. So you can now click on the words that say click here and it will open up that link. So here, I actually did this here. So notice click here for more keyboard shortcuts. You can click here and notice it will direct you to that link. If I click this, it will open up to the website with more shortcuts that I recommend everybody checking out. But how I did this was notice I highlighted and I did Command K. And now I could paste in my link here. I have the text click here. Once I hit apply, now this created click here is now underlined. It's bolded, I changed the color, so that way to my reader they can quickly see, well, these words look a little bit different. Let me try clicking here and it will direct me to that website. Now finally I want to show you my new favorite command, which is Command Shift V. So here I have the words partial quotients. I'm going to do Command C for copy. Now instead of hitting Command V for paste, if I was to do that, you're going to find that, well, it changed the font. I wanted that fun font. So I'm going to undo this here, and instead I'm going to highlight this region here, and instead of doing Command V, I'm going to go Command Shift V. And notice when it pasted, it kept that original fun font here. So it didn't change it. And this is great when you're copying, pasting different documents and combining them to one document. If you want to keep that original font and not having to go back and change the font every time you copy and paste something, you can simply hit Command Shift V and it will automatically change the font to whatever it is on that document. That's one of my new favorite commands that I highly recommend you check out. Now these commands are here just to make your life easier when you're using your keyboard, and when you're switching back and forth between different screens and opening up so many different things, using these commands do make it a little bit easier.